Let's take another cue card topic, which is describe an achievement you feel proud of. And for the first time in my YouTube career, my dear friends, today I am going to share a cue card idea which has been suggested by one of my IELTS offline student, and his name is Davinder Singh. He is from Pehwa, and this is enough about him. Now coming to topic. So he proposed me this idea, and this really touched my heart, and I thought, like, why not I should translate it and share it with my YouTube IELTS community holders. So here is my take. So the achievement I feel proud of is I belong to a farming family. We raise cattle as well, and we sell dairy products as well, like we sell milk and other milk related products also for maintaining our day-to-day expenses. But the achievement kind of factor comes when like we have some goats in our farms, and so at the times of medical emergencies, at the times when somebody is suffering from fever and he is not getting any kind of relief from allopathy or the doctor's medicines and other prescriptions, so in such circumstances, the person who is having illness or the person who is having some disease, they find themselves handicapped. So in that sort of circumstance, my student or the service they offer comes like a panacea. Like, they don't charge anything for the goat milk they provide to the people who badly require them. Sometimes even it is the question of life or death. So if in that kind of situation you are helped with goat milk and somehow you are able to save the life of a human being, I guess this is really nice, and this is really a kind of humanitarian kind of effort. So this is a kind of achievement that this gentleman feels proud of, and because when they feel like in case of emergency or in case of a tough situation, like we should have some philanthropic efforts, we should do some kind of charity, or we should do some kind of some kind of altruistic effort, and where we are not money minded, let us focus on helping the other person. So this is a cue card that this gentleman has suggested to me, and it really touched my heart. Even I could speak dozens of answers on this, but I really feel like students should be given opportunity as well as liberty to share their natural ideas, and let us translate them so that we spread the originality and we stop or curb the culture of copycat speakers in IELTS speaking. Thank you so much.